Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we'll be having a look at 17 Going Under by Sam Fender. It's really 4 chords. It's an A7/4 to a D, to a G, to a C and 9. However, when he actually plays it on the album, it's actually that A7/4 is done up here. So that would be on the A, ignoring the capo on the 6th. You'd be on the 13 on the A, you'd be 11 on the D, open G to 14 on the B. So you get this sound. So again, 13 on the A, 11 on the D, open G, 14 on the B. And then you're going to switch around, and this will be equivalent to the D, and that's it's 11 on the A, and 13 on the D, and 13 on the B, respectively. So you get this to this, and obviously then to a G, and then to a C and 9. The next thing is just really pacey. It's a very quick song, 162 BPM, and I think I looked it up. So it's going to be an H drum. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's going to be 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and he sort of picks it when it's played properly. You can hear it's sort of a. That 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. It's because it's so pacey, it's really hard to count out and make sense of it. So down, up, down, up. So just 1 and 2 and it'll be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Sounds silly when you say it, but that's actually what's going on. So, and then you've got to be really discerning about how you strike these strings. So that hope that helps. Hope that figures out some of the stuff that you might want to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and left a comment from Canada. Shout out to you. Left the comments to do with Sam Fender, and we'll see you next time.